Tired of yard work taking up your precious time? Introducing the revolutionary Srodio cordless leaf blower. Blast debris with its powerful, upgraded brushless motor. Enjoy hours of runtime with 2 long-lasting batteries. Maneuver effortlessly with its 180-degree rotating design. Lightweight and easy to handle at just 4 pounds. Don't miss the 85% off flash deal. Get your Srodio leaf blower today. Tired of endless yard work? Meet the Srodio cordless leaf blower. Blast away leaves, dust, and debris with ease. Its high RPM motor delivers serious power. Plus, enjoy long-lasting battery and 180-degree rotation. Get your Srodio leaf blower and reclaim your weekends now. Click the link and experience the difference. Srodio, simplify your outdoor chores. Tired of endless yard work? Introducing the Comchoy electric leaf blower. Blast away leaves with its powerful motor. 5 speeds let you control the power. Lightweight and dual batteries for longer use. Clean up your yard faster than ever. Get yours for only $59.99. Don't miss this flash deal. Get yours today. Introducing the Comchoy cordless leaf blower. Yard work redefined. Blast debris at 200 mph with adjustable speeds. Lightweight design, easy to use. Handles any mess. Comes with 2 long-lasting batteries. Get it now. For a limited time, get 70% off from $199.99. It's yours for only $59.99. Hurry. This flash deal won't last long. Click the link and reclaim your weekends now. Tired of endless yard work? Meet the Myriad cordless leaf blower. Blast away leaves with a powerful 150 mph airflow. Enjoy up to 60 minutes of runtime with 2 batteries. Its ergonomic design ensures all-day comfort. Clean your yard, patio, or workshop easily. Get the Myriad cordless leaf blower for just $62.99. That's a 69% off flash deal. Don't miss out. Get your Myriad leaf blower today. Tired of endless yard work? Introducing the Myriad cordless leaf blower. Blast away debris with powerful 150 mph airspeed. Enjoy up to 60 minutes of runtime with 2 included batteries. Ergonomic design makes yard work comfortable. Anywhere. Get a flash deal 69% off. Now, just $62.99. Hurry. This amazing offer won't last long. Click the link now and make yard work easy. Tired of yard work nightmares? Introducing the Raya-T cordless leaf blower. Powerful and easy. 180 mph wind speed. Blast leaves away quickly. Up to an hour runtime. 2 batteries included. 2 speed modes. Light and safe charging. Raya-T cordless leaf blower for $65.99. Get yours today. Tired of endless yard work? Meet the Riot cordless leaf blower. 180 mph power blasts away leaves and debris with ease. 2 speeds for versatile cleanup. Big or small jobs? Lightweight design makes it easy to handle. Get the Riot blower now for just $65.99, 67% off. This flash deal won't last. Get yours today. Click the link and grab your Raya-T blower now. Tired of yard work dragging you down? Introducing the Change Mower leaf blower. Powerful 380 CFM airflow blast away debris. Get over an hour of runtime with dual batteries. Lightweight design, simple and effective. Get yours today. Flash deal 63% off. Transform your yard work today. Introducing the Change Mower cordless leaf blower. Effortless cleanup, powerful airflow clears leaves fast. Long-lasting batteries and adjustable nozzle included. Designed for comfort and efficiency in any yard. Get 63% off in our flash deal. Only $47.99. Originally $129.99. Hurry. This incredible offer won't last long. Click the link now and grab yours. Tired of yard work? Introducing the Yethka cordless leaf blower. Blast away leaves with incredible 850 CFM power. Brushless motor, longer runtimes and efficiency, 6 speeds, plus goggles and earplugs included. Long-lasting battery. Get more done on one charge. Get the Yethka cordless leaf blower today. Visit our website and upgrade your yard. Tired of yard work dragging you down? Introducing the Yethka cordless leaf blower. 50% off for a limited time. 850 CFM power. Long-lasting battery. Plus safety gear, 6 speed settings. Tackle any job with ease. Driveways, patios, cleaning's a breeze now. This flash deal won't last. Get yours today. Click the link and experience effortless yard work.